is our Hardinge DSM-59 hand screw machine, second operation. It's got a Hardinge turret, Hardinge double slide. There's 50 fractional collets, 50 collets that are decimal, all of them almost 100% Hardinge. It has a coolant pump, original paint in nice condition. 5C collet closer. Gonna be in low speed first, forward, slowing the machine down. Spindle super quiet, going up, brake working, reverse, going to high range now, forward, braking and reversing, slowing down. This is our Hardinge DSM-59 in really nice condition with a lot of tooling. Thank you.